Guys, we have a massive friend over here and it's the Viomi Robot Vacuum version 3. Before I have reviewed the version 2 and I was quite impressed. But here on the version 3, Viomi told me that there are some new iteration on this one and I'm more than excited to open it up just for you. Hi, I'm Mitch002 of Xiaomi Review. Join me as I unbox this one, the Viomi Robot Vacuum version 3. Let's go. Okay, the box is quite heavy and yeah, I know it's really massive, and what's nice is that this one works with the Media app. Before this one, it only supports the Viomi app, but now out of the box, we can use it together with the Media app. So we have here a thick user manual. We have some clothes over here, pretty similar to that of the version 2. You know, I really love the color of Viomi, the turquoise blue color, and yep, it's very distinct of them. Now we have the massive robot vacuum over here and voila, it's so nice. There you go. Hey little buddy. Yep, and it's out of the box. The Viomi Robot Vacuum version 3. And it looks quite similar to that of the version 2, just probably some tweaks, and we shall find it out. Let's continue to finish unboxing. We have the side brush. We have the adapter over here. We have the charging dock over here. Now this one is new. Okay, the filter, the dust filter. All new design, no longer the side. Yep. You can see this is the water tank. And last but not the least, it's your 2-in-1 tank. Here you go. So right now, what are we waiting for? Let's plug it in and let's do a test run. Okay, so right now, we're going to know how to install everything onto this robot vacuum from Viomi. So first stop, we need to open this one. This is the dustbin only. Okay, so normally I'll be using the 2-in-1 water tank, so therefore I'll be placing this one into the tank. Snap and close it. That's it. Simple as that. So next up is to turn it around. But before that, let's just move these two cushions out of the way. Turn it upside down. There you go. So we need to place this mop down here. Then snap. That's it. Next thing is to insert the side brush. This one. Okay, you can see there's a square pattern here. Just insert it. Push down, snap. And we're done. We're ready to install everything and sync it to the Mi Home app. Okay guys, so right now we have here the Viomi version 3 robot vacuum, and to be honest with you, it has improved a lot over the version 2, and primarily the battery is a lot bigger. It has went up from 3200 to 4900 milliampere hours, which can clean the bigger rooms, the bigger house, and the bigger floor area in just one run. Unlike the version 2, most likely it will be running 2 times or even 3 times after charging. That spells the difference. The suction also has improved from 2100 to 2600 PA, which means more power in the vacuum process. That is a lot better. And the biggest improvement that I've seen in this one is the water tank. The 2-in-1 tank with water pump has improved the most. To be honest with you, I'm not really satisfied with the version 2 because it has a lot of spillage on the floor because of the bad design of the water tank. Well, it has improved right now on the version 3. The version 3 right now deploys a new water pump system compared to the second version, which used air to pump out the water. This time it's more efficient, less spillage, and it can clean more area with the water in tank. Now let me walk you through all the functions inside this mat. You can see that you can put some side sweeping and secondary sweeping. Now, and of course, for the mop, you can either choose the S pattern mode or the Y pattern mode. I choose the Y. It's cleaning the room more efficient, cleaner than the S pattern. Believe me. This is the cleaning history. Now, you can see that it has cleaned the room very efficiently. You can see it's not going on straight line because it's running the S pattern. You can turn on the memory map, relocate the map. Now you can change the volume of the robot, voice switch, and probably put it on mute mode. Then you can check here the statistics of your consumables, the side brush, the main brush, the dust compartment, and of course your mop. Now inside here, you can reset the consumable once you have replaced it. There's a lot of function you can do with this robot vacuum. Just make sure that you put it on the most efficient mode for you so that it will make and do the job just for you. The only thing that it cannot do is to move your things and clean the floor. That's it. Okay guys, so we have finally concluded our review of the Viomi version 3 robot vacuum, and to be honest with you, I'm very satisfied with this one. To be honest with you, the battery has become a lot bigger, making it clean the room in just one sweep. The design of the water tank is a lot better this time, making it more efficient, and I'm very satisfied with the performance, to be honest with you. Now if you want this robot vacuum, check out the link below. I'll show you where to buy it, and of course don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my next review here at Xiaomi Review. So I'm It002. I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.